Hey there and welcome back to the channel. If you are just starting a business and need a simple customer facing CRM, begin by Zoho CRM because this is a fantastic option. It is built specifically for small businesses and is incredibly to use. Like it is really beginner friendly. Most people are up and running in under 30 minutes to it. So in today's video, I will walk you through exactly how to get started with Bigin. Let's dive in. So before diving in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So now let's get started. To get started, you have to go to bigin.com right here and then tap on to get started. Also, just let me type it for you: Zoho.com. Now let's tap enter. So wait until the page loads. So as I showed you, just search it up like this. Now let's say you can log in using your name, your business email and password. Also you can log in using your Gmail account and your LinkedIn account. You can bind them together. So for this video I'm gonna choose the Google Gmail account, but before that let's look up to their pricing. So let's tap onto the pricing at the top right corner. Here you can see they offer 4 types of packages. There's the one free and the rest of the 3 is premium one. You have to pay dollars for them. So let's start with the free one, which needs absolutely no cost. So let's look at their key features. Like it offers single pipeline, 500 records. You can use contacts like products, activities and management, and other things like automation, built-in phone, etc. You can just check them out later. Now let's look up to their other options which you have to pay yearly. As you can see, they will cost $7 monthly, but you have to pay the amount in advance for the whole year. And if you want to pay monthly, then you can just check out their monthly offers, which cost a little bit, like $9, $15 and $21. If you are just want to look out to this site, then I will suggest you to go with the monthly one. And if you want to use it for the long run, then I will suggest you to go with these yearly options. So let's check out their options here, services. So the $7 which called express package offers team pipelines up to 3 people, 15,000 records, and other options like email and WhatsApp business integrations. You can use like 13 automations and other things. You can just look up to here, and let's look up to their premium offer, which is $12 per month. You can see this, like you can use team pipelines up to 5 people, and you can records up to 100,000 files. You can use advanced file types which you cannot use on the express one, and other things like payment links and etc. And lastly, they have the Bigin 360 offer, which costs you around $18 per month. You can use 15 timelines, 1 million records, and other things like emailing pre-installed with 5 aliases, and other things like 1,000 mass emails per day, 50 custom fields module, and etc. So this was their pricing. Now let's go and sign up to bigin.com. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use the Google one Gmail account. So simply tap onto Gmail. Now let's log in using my Gmail account. So now let's tap onto my Gmail account, then tap onto continue. So wait until the login phase is completed, and then it will redirect you to their official dashboard. Wait until the login is completed. So as you can see, we are in the dashboard of it. Now you have to enter your company name. So for example, I'm gonna enter my company name to HN. Now you have to enter your phone number, and then you have to enter your currency to US dollars. Okay, this is perfect. Now let's tap on this explore Bigin. You have to enter your phone number also, so let's just enter a phone number right now. So as you can see, I'm in the dashboard, and from here you can see your sales pipeline. You can see your teams events, like say team sales pipeline. You can use customer support. Let me cut this ad and other things. You can use other templates if you wish to. For now I'm going to tap on to use this template, and here you can see other options like for industries, and here you can see contacts. You can add contacts if you wish to. At the top right corner, simply tap on this plus icon, and from there you can add your contact information like contact name, contact title, contact email, and company name, mobile number, description, etc. You can also use address informations like mailing street, mailing city, mailing states, and all other things. You can also customize these fields if you wish to. Like you can add lead sources to these places. You can add fax, date of birth if you wish to. For example, you can see all these things. Let me make it up to here. Okay, perfect. Now you can just customize them according to your need. Now simply tap on to save, and then tap save again, and then it will be done. So as you can see, the information is done. You can use this node. If you want to add some type of node, you can add to it. You can add activities right here. You can add emails to it, and social pipeline and files, all of this type of options. Now let's say you want to add your social platforms to this Zoho account, then tap on to connect now. You can connect your Twitter if you wish to. Now tap on to connect a Twitter profile. For now you can just connect your Twitters and etc. So this is how you can connect them. Simply tap on to connect Twitter, and then you can do it. For now let's skip this part because the video will be so long then. And from Signal you can choose your email is inside your call, your desk, and all etc. And from the dashboard you can see your overall reviews, like your contact created this month, your pipelines and pipelines lost, etc. So this is it. And you can choose your company's products also. You can choose products from here. If you want to add product, you can just simply tap on to add product, and then you can add them. And if you want to import from a file like your PC's file, then tap on to import from a file, and then you can just simply upload it to your file, like from your file. So this is how you can use this site, like Shuri's site. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.